demonstration, and then we'll do a second round after a short break. So, PubNub.
Michael, first, let's just remind everyone who is in the first round, if they haven't been mic'd, to actually come to the back door, to the back table and get mic'd.
Okay, if you should know who you are. If you don't, all of you guys go back. So we're going to get a microphone here in a second. Well, I get to sing now. Okay, fun facts. We're talking about fun facts. Before I was in technology, talking about honest school is the thing in New York. I used to sing and dance on Broadway.
Wow.
God on high, hear my prayer. Okay, that's not.
Hi everyone, my name is Rohini, this is Bhavana, we are from PubNub. So, as many of you are aware, there are a lot of technical considerations with Internet of Things deployment. And so, Cisco has even said that there's going to be 50 billion devices on the network by 2020. So, from a technical and engineering side, developers have to consider things like spotty connections, scalability, geographic locations, low connectivity, a bunch of other things, proxy servers, a lot of other things. And that's where PubNub comes in. We are a secure global data stream network that enables you to build and scale your real-time apps for connected devices. So what does that mean? So for any Internet of Things device, be it mobile phones or embedded devices or servers, software applications, those devices need to communicate with one another bidirectionally. And that's what PubNub does. We are that communication layer that allows data to be sent and received back and forth in a secure manner. For security, we have things like message encryption that allow you to secure the device, the data itself. We also offer access control permissions, so you can control who is sending and receiving data on your network. And probably most importantly, we actually do not open any ports, so there's no vulnerabilities there. We're also a global presence, so we have 15 data centers around the world. This map actually shows 0.01% of our traffic. So we handle a lot of data going back and forth around the world. We have 5.9 SLA guarantees. We can guarantee that your data will be sent and received within a quarter of a second. And we have, this isn't just a promise, these are real, this is real data. We have customers already. We have about 1,000 customers in all sort of industries, Lyft in the connected car space, Plantronics in the electronic space, Insteon in the home automation space. And these customers send, I think there's 250 million devices on our network a month, and 3 million transactions that happen a second. So there's a lot of usage and a lot of variety of what our customers do on our network, and to demonstrate that, we are going to have a cool demo with the Lego man that Bhavana is going to kick off.
Okay, hi everybody. So let me explain what our setup is initially. It's just, this is a proximity sensor that's being powered by the Raspberry Pi. And here we have a Lego man. So assume that the proximity sensor is sitting at the entrance of a store. And you have people walking past all the time. So, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. And the screen? Okay. So, as in when people walk within a certain range next to the store, they're going to get a message that says, hey, there's a sale going on. Are you gonna? The minute you walk outside that range, that message is going to disappear. So what basically happening is that the sensor's collecting data, it's calculating it, but the magic of sending that data over the internet to any user is done by PubNub. So all that the Pi has to do is publish to the PubNub network, and any user, which is in this case the Lego man and his phone, which is that screen, gets a message through that network by just subscribing to PubNub. So when we talk about IoT, we have 50 billion devices, and they could be all over the world. So with PubNub, you don't have to worry about the platform and the SDKs, because we have 70 plus SDKs. You can be an embedded engineer, you can be working on ARM or Atmel devices, or you could be working with the Pi, Arduino, or you have an iOS device, Android, anything. So you don't have to worry about those SDKs and the platforms. We provide extremely simple APIs for you to be able to bidirectionally communicate between devices. So this is just one simple demo that shows the power of PubNub. Consider home automation. So you need to be able to remotely control devices within your home, irrespective of where you are. You have sensors all over the house which are collecting data, and you need to be able to act upon that data. So this kind of remote signaling, controlling, all that can be done with PubNub in an extremely secure way. Think of it as a tunnel between your device to the PubNub network. So you don't have to worry about NAT, firewall, open ports, etc. So we're going to be setting up another demo, which is a home automation powered by the Arduino. It's going to be outside, so just come check us out anytime. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Fantastic.